Hey, Mahama, Abusiafo. Hey, Mahama kofa baye. Hey, Abusia. Nurse for na esugu Mahama so no. Abusia. Nurse for no su egu Mahama so. Omo se yentua omo ka. 10 good months. Yentua omo ka. Hey, Abusia mo menko tie nurse for na no mutuan. Enye easy.
We are just pleading on the government to pay us. We've been working for 10 good
10
months,
good months.
no salary.
No salary.
Personally, my rent expired in 15th August.
Oh,
I've not been able to pay.
share.
My landlord is always asking, when are you
Yay,
paying? I'll be
yay.
like, they'll pay us. Please give me
Biba,
time.
biba.
I stay at
Oko school
Fantine.
every
I wake up Kolebu.
share.
I take transportation, 42 cities to work
42
every
city to
day.
work every day.
How do they expect
Months.
me to get
What's a
that money
year?
to
Next a
come?
thousand plus.
To come to work.
Thousand four.
You go to work, doctors will write. Check patients'
What if you like
vitals,
at your
15
mukra, you
minutes,
be the
30
quiet?
minutes. Do
Yeah,
RBS,
millions
5
at the show
minutes,
me come.
10
What school
minutes.
say?
You bath patients,
Wash
you
it.
tend patients
Eh,
every 4 hours. I'm doing all this just for the minister to tell me that he appreciates the work that I'm doing.
oh,
Appreciation, Ben. I don't
she's
understand.
bang.
Which form of appreciation?
Oh,
How can somebody work and you tell the person I appreciate you for 10 good
I
months?
make a
I can't
view.
stand it. I'm
Eh,
owing rent. How am
exact.
I? What should I do to be able to pay
Yeah, the
my rent?
figure and the casa
I don't
patrick again
understand.
and your
They should pay us.
exact.
Enough is enough.
Exact.
I'm
Enough is
tired.
enough.
Enough is enough.
Oh,
If they cut me
I
rent
am
until
used.
15.
Samara.
What the crowd? I don't know. You can't even ask somebody for money. The moment you test somebody, the person will be like, they are coming for money.
Oh,
And the person will be giving you excuses.
yeah,
And
yeah,
then
yeah, yeah,
to be
yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, 10 good months. Yentia na cow. Biblical school 10 obey juma 10 good months na wuntua ne ka. Aden na sini a wo hwe patient no wuntua ne ka. Mo sala mo se nurse fo embu ade. Na se wontua ne ka na wo ko hono ma. Enti wo expect say fan be so na ofo so atreat you. Wuntua ne ka. Mo wa betina adwuma mu. Komo den no. Na wo bi ba. Entu pese we de anigye ehye nipa na ana. Dabi. Eti na mo so ra mo se nurse fo mu ade nurse fo nye se. Masa nipa ne ye adwuma tua ne ka. Oh, so wotu obi ka no wo ye adwuma no kro confidence oh de be ye adwuma mo hu say yes. Adwuma na wo ye no eni gye. Na mo swale na me de kom kotena ho no ma obi ba na kasa me swale ko hye nipa na. Masa me mfa hu obi wu kura na emfa no ho. Wo so adwuma na wo no akunu ho say wo ye no. Ye tua ne ka. Nti wo expect say obekunu ho ye adwuma na na. Sa na beba ebusua nurse fo na ni abre ye demonstration. Enye no nko a mo se nkotie foforo. Mra.
Not ready to pay us our salaries. Then why are we ready? They should rather revoke our appointment so that we go home and then find something better to do.
Yeah.
So we can't be working on empty stomach. How do you expect me to reassure a client on an empty stomach? Where is the love to work? We can't work diligently when we are hungry. So we are pleading on the government. And then I want to give an advice to all of us. I do not want to politicize anything, but then there is this thing circulating. The moment it's about a nurse or a teacher, then you hear one part saying, "Nyamine Echiayeka." All those of you saying Nyamine Echiayeka, congratulations to you. Thank you. Listen to this scenario. Yes, starting school 2017. Mumfa mo share your parents' issues. Imagine since 2017, Mako school till now.
Oh, my no passion is there.
Umra me ya juma no munya so fa. The NSS ya ntua o. Mimi area me juma wia. I don't know that so down ma me no. Me pika cha me say me
no kwa na fa so be de wo. Abusua adokore sa wona wo ba akọ school.
I can mention
Ewie na so be nurse na say na ye treat na kan kwa be wo de.
Yes, he told me that. He told me that.
No.
Says he can't ma. That's yen swap by yen swine. Please, we've had enough.
Asa
government is not ready to pay.
Wo mo kasa mu kura na abusua omusu. Areho ase omo man. Oh,
me being a lady, I'll have to take care of my hair once in a while. If you can't be buy no way. Buy no way.
Boy.
And no.
A boy say no de be ma.
How do I feed myself? How do I pay my bills? Here are credit. But I'm a renter. So, to me, I make what I hear. Me driver me fa den na anika. And then I pension anika. We are struggling. Say, we are health professionals. We are preaching balanced diet. Oh, eat well, eat fruits. Then na me eating once a day. Na man me sure that. And yeah, what education am I giving my clients? Me being a lady, I'll have to take care of my
fair. Never go ha. What kind of correct massa? And you're fair. Also, what your mocha. Also, for instance, put you to me in aka. And a boy, the American me boa. Also, to your mocha. No, be it's me a Jumani feeling. Because who ye Jumana see in your car? Boy, so ye Jumani in your car. Check your hair. Ah, confidence I would hear Jumano. When ye Jumani feeling. Ye Jumani biela na woko. Now, check 10 good months. Ye chow car. Date na also school say obenya sa adwumaye obenya adwumaye ne etu aka why seka seka wo du kosu adwuma kora na ko nya so mfa so o masa wo du kosu adwuma kora wo nya so mfa so masa etu le bia na me hu say school na dodo na ekoro ko mu koku kwa wo be ko school abeya adwuma 10 good months ne entu aka how e ba ne say nya fe
Sikanti and I'm the be me koda ama akonya sika me nya bi da na wo by cross over tina so ama lo nurse ni bi sika loke ama nurse ni na koda be ma ansan wo nya sika didi na ordinary person ya tina bonti aka say nurse for my work am na me be tia wo ni wo sika ni na me da ma say
no that be nya fe 10 good months e dey no what ebusia mama we dey say good form ti o mo ka hwe na se fa ye matutu ye na etu o mo ka no adwuma na o mo ye no no mani anya o mo nya ni je wa adwuma no so anya ise so be ye adwuma 10 good months dey etu o ka o ade na de betu awo dan wo betu o be water bill like be busia chake Ghana hwe Ghana dan boarding se Ghana dan boarding we ya ba adwuma na esini wo na wo se o feedi wo hu o wo na wo se o feedi wo dan a woti wo na betu like be water bill boy chake hwe asi ye ntua wo ka wo be den atenam pressure da wo so adwendwen ko a no school ni se wo be ye adwuma nya sika free nti adwuma e wo ye pa sika be na wo benya free wo nya hwe free nti aban nse gu fom o se nim se ye ka betie wo de enim ye ka be ye aban wo wani tua e bia na wo hu se ye tua se wonya hu yi de o ma ye demonstration ni de aban nse gu fom hwe na fa ne ma tutu na akwa na ye tua obi aka o mu ni teachers ko wan yo aban se ka tua no kwa de bi be ka ho ama o mu na se adwuma na o mu ye be ya akoso mimi wan ka tua ade mo bi masa ye ka no kura ka ye de ma nurse ko ni nya fe check say de bia de se gay ya waka say we be offer ka 42 cedis check a month say month 1,004 something 1,004 plus check show month no it what 1,004 na free na ka tua ma ka say obedidi obetua like be water bay check hwe ebi kura so osawa akala ho nya fe masa it's na so na dodo na adwa no kwasa outside no outside we na asini masa feeling good ma wo say yeah you feel good usua Ghana o mai ti o se mu mi nso yehu kwa be fa so a be ye mai ni hie dabi nyese mpanyinifo no na e bi SS kana ma MPs fo mu nya adwuma bia ne SS kana ma no mu sabasa obu hu na we disika usua eno na mfa hwemba omu na omu ko omu hu ye adwuma no omu ko school omu ko omu hu ye adwuma no omu na pai na wo say wo sha omu kena se de be ye adwuma no nipa na ja di awre hye mu be ye adwuma a wo ye because wo ye adwuma na se aketua de ma wo wani nso a be da ye 2,000 3,000 months endu month na asa wo de sen na wo be kipi sen na wo de beto se etu aka 5,000 4,000 for masa month ne sen na ade beto check wo tete wo de afiri ma wonya bi na ade ato wo no nipa de be ye adwuma be ko pension pay kura no wo si fie onye ese na obi be ka kire ne se o mbọ bra abra school wo koyina ba mam nche obi botire sesi a obi sua tire ye na wo ye yi a nyame se endu 2 years endu 3 years nipa no obeto plot asha ase se wo ye bi amohu se ye adwuma na wo sua ye wo ye bi ba teacher ni nko ade ba ne sen na esi ni ye ba ne sen ba nyema bi wo ha ye fe enye fe sen teacher ni na esi ni sen nye se obeji loan eda ye business a eya etua de benyame utimi nya ne hwe bebre obi sua adwuma chekehwe ha wani pa no fa so obi sua adwuma no obi ton aduane kola na cheke ya de pa nya wo heje pade a waya obi ye nsan no adwuma obi potire obi ye sei omo kola cheke na obi a wɔkɔ school sɛ obeku ne ho abɛhwɛ wɔ bi ama nipa no ho atɔ no bɛsa yareɛ yɛakyerɛ no a ɔbɛsa yareɛ ne nyinaa akyi na sɛ aban sɛi na ɛbɛba a ɛnyɛ fɛ sɛ wɔde nneɛma toto yie ne nyinaa ka ho bi ɛna ɛbɛma wayɛ dɛ next 4 years yɛbɛto ama wo sɛ woma wɔn katua no kɔ n'anim a ɛɛfɛ sɛ wɔbɛkatua bɛkɔ wɔn anim because sɛ ɛban na katua kɔ sɛ nurse ni akatua ɛkɔ n'anim teacher ni akatua ɛkɔ n'anim a next 4 years wɔbɛba bɛto ama wɔn sɛ amowo so ɛna ama na katua no yɛ de emu yɛ edu ama sese wɔnya bi edi bi to hɔ no because wɔnya bi nfa bi nto hɔ eti no sɛ ɛba sɛ wɔn kɔto aba a wɔnim mfasoɔ bi a ɛwɔ aba na ɔkɔto no so wɔ nti wɔn sɛ mo hyehyɛ nneɛma mo de nneɛma gu n'akwan mu sɛde bɛgya a obi a ɔyɛ aban adwuma biara at the end of the month sika no a mode bɛma wɔn no ho sɛ osika wei deɛ anya a wo spend sɛn a wobɛnya bɛyɛ 2,000 anaa 3,000 bi a yɛdɛ ato nkyɛn kɛse sɛ asɛm bi si a kɛse sɛ wopɛ sɛ wobɔ wo bra a busua abusuayɛ de mu bɛsia no mo subscribe to your YouTube channel Young Money Studio na yɛ TikTok account na mo follow my abusua yɛda mo ase